Let's face it, contacting Shopify isn't the easiest thing in the world. You need to jump through some hoops in order to get to talk to someone from Shopify. A lot of scrolling and a lot of clicks. But what if you had a direct link? What if? What's up? Costin here. Welcome back to the channel. I've missed you. So, you have an issue. You can't figure something out. You need assistance. You need qualified Shopify assistants. How do you get in contact with them? Well, you could do a Google search. But speaking from experience, it isn't the most straightforward way. If you do search how to contact Shopify in Google, you get this. Obviously, you're gonna click on the first link because it actually says contact us Shopify. And this is what you get. Not one, not two, but 3 ways through which you can contact Shopify. Now, you don't want to waste time going through the community forums or the help center. You want to speak directly to a representative. So naturally, you would click on Contact Support, thinking that would be the end of it. But no, now you have to log in, or continue without logging in. I don't want to waste any more time typing, so I don't want to log in. That should be the end of it, right? Wrong. Now you have to search for the topic. I would assume by this point you have smoke coming out of your ears and fire through your nostrils, and are ready to give up. But let's say we give it one more shot. Search for the desired topic. We're having issues with a theme. First result, can I get help with my theme? Anyway, you get a whole bunch of results, but if you scroll down, you finally get a button that will take you to the contact page. And here we are. You can contact Shopify by chat, email, or ask the community through the community forum, which we saw at the very beginning. Chat should be the quickest method, so I would suggest you go that route. That's how you contact Shopify. For convenience sake and for your benefit, I have left the direct link to this page in the description below. Just click it, bookmark it, and you'll have a quick and easy way to contact Shopify. Also, I would be remiss if I didn't mention our own customer support team, our excellent 5-star rated customer support team. If you're a Vitals user, you can get in touch with them 24/7 by using the chat button in the app or by going to the help center. Before I go, I do want to touch upon the 2 other mentioned resources, the community forums and the help center. While not as quick as contacting Shopify directly, both of them are very helpful and chock full of useful information. So I would highly encourage you to check both of them out. You'll definitely learn something there that will help you on your Shopify journey. And with that, thanks for watching and happy selling. Also, if you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe to the channel as we post new videos every single week. If we can help with anything, please let us know. Our customer support team is available 24/7. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.